Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my new releases for the week of August 16th. I have another one of these quote boxes. I have more of these already in the shop. They're in the Christian section along with a lot of other Christian related stuff. I also have a brand new kit that is exclusive to my shop. It's showing up kind of dark. My lighting's not the best today, but it is really actually quite bright. And these photos were all taken by me, and they are from my sister's ranch, so you will not find these pictures anywhere else. So first we have our full boxes, which if you haven't seen these, I now have 9 on a sheet, so you're going to see some new things that you may not have seen before. And yes, because I did quite a bit of reformatting over the last couple weeks. Then we have the bottom washi, which I made like the grass. I think it's so cute. And then the sky is the full box checklists and the date covers. Then I made the half boxes grass and sky, and then the colors I pulled straight out of the photos for the color scheme. And then here is the final sheet. This is the personal or mini kit, which you get 4 full boxes. And you have the option of getting the add-on sheet, which has a weekend banner and some butterfly glitter headers. And you also can add on the extra full boxes. I also have, just as something extra, anybody can add on these half boxes, extra date covers, and then the glitter sampler. These are all glitter headers, so they are individual little strips. So yeah, there's that. I really love this kit, and I'm going to be doing some more photo kits really soon that are exclusive. If you buy this weekend through Sunday, you can also get this cute little die cut of these cute little cows, and it is for any order. You don't have to order specifically that kit. You can order anyone. So I hope you like my new releases, and the link to my shop will be down below. Let me know in the comments down below what you think.